Hey YouTube, this is a quick video on my Influenster Honeywell humidifier, and I had already opened it. It came in this brown box, and I just want to show you guys it was free from Influenster to try. Since my kids have allergies and stuff, I was really grateful to get this because I was going to buy one, but thank God for Influenster, I got one for free. So this is some of the stuff that's in it. Coupon for $1, I think, for the filters. Let's see. And then, of course, the Influenster card. It just says what you need to do. Probably can't see that. Sorry about the quality of my video. I'm doing a quick video on it. So, yeah. So, basically, this is how it's packaged. Let me take it out of the box. And put the box on the floor. And this is it.